Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and before we will go to the reset options, I just wanted to draw your attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now all we have to do is to enter the settings in the left upper corner. So let's tap on this gear icon and let's scroll down to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, the grid lines disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.